Welcome to LuvLiNes. Unboxing time. Oh, malaki-laki siya. Oh. Kala ko maliit lang. Ay, okay. Shoe cream. Malaki siya, oh. Whitens shoe cleaning cream. White shoe cleaning cream. Ayun. Natin, gaano siya kalaki? How many centimeters? Ay, inches. Inches. Centimeters to... Okay, centimeters. 0. Oh. Diameter niya ay... Diameter is nasa 105 millimeters or 10.5 centimeters. Ayan. Open na natin. Akala ko bibili pa ng ganito. Mayroon na pala siyang foam sa ibabaw. And then, parang white out. Puti ang laman. Kumikinang-kinang. Ayan. Mabango, ah. Libre na pala yung ano niya. Ang bango. Mabango, mabango. May foam na libre na sa ibabaw. Takpan natin ulit. Ayan. So, teka ha. Hindi ko maintindihan. Deep stain removal. Cleaning. Ano ba yan? Whitening. Maintenance. Okay. So, 2023. Produced 12/18. Tapos, expiry niya is 2026, 12/17. Hanggang 2026 siya. Okay. So, ayan. May takip. May takip. May libreng foam. At may inner na takip. So, that's all. May libre na. Akala ko bibili pa ako ng isang ganyan. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Have a good day and God bless. And don't forget that God loves you. You're God's beautiful creation. Bango. I'll see you on the next. Goodbye. God bless. Mamwa. So that's all for now. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is LuvLiNes. Have a good day and God bless.